Hello explorers! In this video, you will get to know a Novo Ecijanos who recently brought pride and honor to the Philippines. By the way, people from Nueva Ecija are called Novo Ecijanos. That also applies to a male person who hails from Nueva Ecija. For females, it's Novo Ecijaana. In the recently concluded 2021 US Open Pool Championship held in Atlantic City, New Jersey on September 20, 2021, a Filipino was proclaimed the champion. He's none other than Carlo Biado, a 37-year-old Nueva Ecija native and Novo Eciano. Malacañang Palace is beaming with pride after he ruled the 2021 US Open Pool Championship. Presidential Spokesman Roque said that Biado brought pride and honor to the country by winning the said tournament in New Jersey. President Rodrigo Duterte personally conferred Carlo Biado a Presidential Citation for winning a gold medal in the 29th Southeast Asian Games in 2017. Carlo Biado is indeed a world-class billiards champion. He became the second Filipino to win the US Open, joining Efren Bata Reyes who ruled the 1994 edition. Thank you for watching explorers. Keep on exploring Nueva Ecija.
Bye.